how to create a Duolingo account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. Before creating a Duolingo account, you need to download and install its application on your device. For that, you have to open up your Google Play Store. And you need to tap on the search bar and search for Duolingo, where you'll be able to see this application. Since I have already installed it on my device, there is an open option. If you haven't installed, there will be the install option. You have to simply tap over there and it will be installed. Once it's installed, you have to go for open. And once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. So at the bottom, there are two options: get started and I already have an account. Since we are trying to create an account, you have to go for get started. And here you have to go for continue. So as a first step, you need to select a language which you want to learn. That can be Spanish, French, German, and there are many more languages. You can select according to your preference. And once you are done selecting, you can go for continue. And after that, you will be able to see this interface. So here it is said that how did you hear about Duolingo? So you need to select how did you hear about them. It can be either from Google search, App Store, YouTube, or many more. You can select and go for continue. So this section depends upon which language do you choose. For example, I have selected Hindi. So it is said that how much Hindi do you know? For example, if you have selected English, then there would be how much English do you know? And you have to select according to that. You have to select whether you are new to Hindi, know some words and phrases, can have simple conversations, or intermediate or higher. You can select and you have to go for continue. And you have to once again go for continue. So it is asked, why are you learning? You have to select your preferred option. It can be for connecting with people, boosting your career, and many more. You can choose according to your preference and go for continue. And once again, you have to go for continue. And here are the points given. This is all about how they are going to guide you or how they are going to teach you. So you can read and go for continue. So you have to select your daily learning goal. That can be either 3 minutes per day, 10 minutes per day, 15 minutes per day, or 13 minutes per day. So you have to select according to your time management or your preference, and you can go for continue. So if you have selected 15 minutes, then you will learn about 75 words in your first week, which is a great thing. So you can go for continue. And here two options are displayed. Whether you are learning Hindi for the first time or you already know some Hindi, you have to select according to your level of knowledge, and you can go for continue. So once again, you have to go for continue. You have to wait for a little bit, and you can see practice has been started, and you can start practicing. And finally, after completing this session, you will be able to see this interface, and you can tap on your profile, which is right next to the three-dotted horizontal line at the lower button, and you have to go for create profile option. So here you need to enter your age, and you can go for continue, and you have to enter your name over here. You can go for continue. And in this section, you need to enter your email address, and after entering, you can go for continue. So here you need to create a password, and you can go for create profile. And you can see that finally your profile has been created. Now from over here, you can see your profile and practice your language. So this is how you create Duolingo account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.